before we go any further, let's make sure that the collision happens with the coin. Right here, put a debug.log and say collision with coin. Okay, so that's how we'll know that we collided with the coin. That's within the if statement whenever we touch the coin inside of onTrigger. Now save this and go back to Unity and press play. Now once you do that, press start and go to the coin with the chicken. And as you can see, nothing happened here. So definitely something is missing here. So click on the coin prefab and look at what's there and what's missing. So definitely I see that we're missing a rigid body. So add component and select a rigid body, which will be physics, and select rigid body. Now do not use gravity and leave the rest just the way it is. And now save this, Command S. Alright, and press play. Now press start and let's go ahead and go there and see. There we go. Collision with coin. So yes, perfect. Now we're going to be able to take it. Alright, but before we take it, we need to increase the score, and that's what we're going to be doing here. Let's go ahead, and you should already know how to increase the score because we've done that earlier. We go score plus equal 1 point, and then we need to update the score inside of the menu, right? And so that's the score text dot text is equal to, and by the way, if you don't remember, that's okay. You can always press Command F and go to score text and look at what we had here, okay? And it's actually the exact same thing that we want that whenever we go to the next strip. So save this, Command C, copy this, and now let's paste it at the right spot at the collision one. Command F and look for collision. There it is. And here, just paste it right here. Command V. Alright, now press Command S and go check this out if that's going to increase the score. Press play and locate the score. By the way, I do not see the score here because I put the text a little bit to the left. So what I'm going to do right now, just for the sake of learning, I'm going to point it to the center or just increase the size of the game, because right now I'm for iPad tall. So you guys should already know what to do here. Go to the canvas and locate the score text and now move it. Right now the position is -250, so move it so that we can see it right there. Okay, so move it more to the center. Alright, that will do. Now press play and let's look at the score. Start, let's pick up that coin, and there we go, score is 1. Now the coin is not disappearing, so we can keep on picking up the coin, right? As you can see, 2, 3 and so on, so we can keep on increasing the score. But next thing you want to do is make the coin disappear and play a song. So let's go ahead and we're going to make the coin disappear. Now right here, right below that, so we've already done that, this to do. Now let's make the coin disappear. So we say let's destroy the coin. That's the name of it. Destroy the coin. Okay. So we already have access to the game object that we have before, because it's other.gameObject. So here we can do destroy, and here we're going to put other.gameObject and put a semicolon at the end and save this. Now go back to Unity and press play. So we're destroying the other object and press start. Let's go, and there we go, the coin has disappeared. Alright, perfect. So let's repeat this. Now we want to play a sound, and I want to show you a sound in the next lecture.